Hi and welcome again to Dr. English YouTube channel. This is Dr. Mafi. I'm a PhD in Applied Linguistics, and today's lesson is important because already told you about and we explored all of the 12 tenses in English, right? But in each of the videos, we would like to talk about each one of these 12 tenses in length. All right? So we talk about and we explore each of these tenses in English alone, on its own, right? Well, like for example, for the simple present tense, I told you why or what reasons we have in order to use it, okay? Again, I'm going to follow the same pattern and tell you 3 reasons as to why we use present progressive tense. So today's topic is present progressive tense or present continuous tense. It's another name, right? Well, so the first one, which is the most important one, actually, and this is why we use progressive in the title or continuous in the title, is the continuity of the action or continuous actions. So in order to talk about continuous actions, like right now I'm teaching this tense to you. What tense? Present progressive tense. Now, at present, at the moment. These are the adverbs of time we use, the time markers, in other words, like now, at present, at the moment, okay? I'm teaching you present progressive tense now. What am I doing now? I'm walking right now. So you can ask questions, you can make it negative by putting not between the to be verbs, am, is, are, present continuous tense, and verb plus ing. This is the structure we use, to be plus verb plus ing, okay? So if you put not in the middle, that would be what? Well, the negative structure. And if you bring this to be at the beginning, you make a question. Of course, a yes or no question. Obviously, you can put a WS question word at the beginning and make it more complicated or information question rather than yes or no question. The same thing is true with the second reason, right? The structure is all the same, but the reason as to why we use the present progressive tense is not the same. So this is actually happening like less often. This is the most important reason, and this is the less important reason, right? Change. When we are talking about change for our situation, our scenarios, right? Like right now, for example, it's getting dark. It's getting night. I'm becoming angry. All right? I'm becoming angry. Like it refers to the kind of change of state, a change of manner, for example, a change of something in the environment. So we use it's getting dark. It means that we are getting close to the night, right? Or the sun is setting. All right? So to make it negative, again, between the to be verb and the verb plus ing, we put not, or we bring is, which is a form of to be at the beginning, and you make a question. And the last reason, the least important reason that we use the present continuous tense for is near future. You already know in the other video, when I talked about simple future tense, we would use what? Either will plus verb or to be going to plus verb, right? To talk about future. But here, again, you can also use this tense in order to refer to future events, all right? Especially for near futures. Like, for example, what are you doing this weekend? You ask your friends whether they are busy or no. Well, they can come and help you, for example. Or you can go, for example, to a picnic, all right? Or on a trip. So the second person answers, no, I'm busy. I'm going out of town. I'm going out of town. In other words, I will go out of town for future, right? So you can also use present progressive tense in order to talk about near future. So these are the 3 reasons that we use present progressive or present continuous tense for. All right, thank you very much for watching us. Don't forget to like and subscribe.